doing now is taking off the power to the fuel pump, which that wire coming there looks like that one or one of those. So we're gonna see what that does and kind of go from there and then make sure that that is taken care of so we can get this thing oiled up, primed, and then started. So yeah, that's the plan. We disconnected those wires. You know, looks like there's 2 pumps in here. So we just disconnect all these and then turn off the fuel pump. So we'll go ahead and crank it and make sure that there's no fuel pressure so we can get it started and get it primed up, build some oil pressure. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so as you can hear, the fuel pumps are off. So I'm just gonna oil pressure did go up, so we built some pressure. We got 9 quarts in here right now. I started it up, I let it sit, I primed it. So let's see where we're at here. Okay, it's kind of hard to see. It's almost full.